Hi all, welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn from where we can add a currency. So for that, just navigate to Merchant Tools. Inside the Merchant Tools, just scroll down and click on Site Preference. Scroll bit, then you can see Configure Site Currency. Just click on it. Once the page load, you can see by default we have a USD, Euro, Japanese yen, and Chinese yen. If you want to be change the arrangement, you can use the sorting option. If you want to delete, you can just select and click on delete. If you want to add a new, just click on add, and whatever currency you want, you can just check that and just click on add, so that currency will add it to you. Here you can see you're not able to modify the default currency because that will you can do at a time of site creation. At that time, you need to select the currency, which currency you need to set a default. So once that period, you can't change it. But for best practice, you whenever the site creation is happening, that time you need to select the default currency for the site. You can modify based on your requirement. That is not an issue. So yeah, that's all about this video. Thanks for watching.